my living God, as I stand at the beginning of this new year, I pause to remember that you are already here. Before I take a single step forward, you have gone ahead of me. You have prepared moments I cannot yet see, blessings I have not yet imagined, and strength I will need for days to come. Because of this, I choose to begin this year not with fear, but with faith. Lord, I release the weight of last year into your hands. Every disappointment that tried to break me, every mistake that still whispers regret, every unanswered prayer that tested my patience, I will not carry them into this new season. Your word in Isaiah reminds me that you are doing a new thing. So today, I make room for that new thing. I close the door to shame, and I open my heart to hope. Father, breathe fresh vision into my spirit. Where my faith grew tired, renew it. Where my heart felt wounded, heal it. Where my confidence was shaken, restore it. Teach me to trust you more deeply than ever before. Even when I cannot trace your hand, help me trust your heart. This is the day you have made. As declared in Psalm, I will rejoice and be glad in it. Not because everything is perfect, but because you are present. The present moment is holy because you are in it. Help me not to rush through this year chasing outcomes, but to walk closely with you, step by step. Lord, open my eyes to see your quiet miracles, the protection I didn't notice, the doors you closed for my good, the small blessings hidden in ordinary moments. Let gratitude rise in my heart daily. When I learn to thank you for little things, I grow stronger for the bigger battles. Guide my decisions, guard my thoughts, protect my family, align my dreams with your purpose. If my plans are not your plans, lovingly redirect me. I do not want success without you. I do not want progress. That pulls me away from your presence. Your word in Jeremiah promises hope and a future. I hold on to that promise now. Even if this year brings challenges, I know it will also bring growth. Even if storms come, you will walk with me through them. I declare that this year will not define me by fear, but by faith. Not by regret, but by redemption. Not by weakness, but by your strength working in me. I trust you with my future. I trust you with my unknowns. I trust you with my life. In the mighty and powerful name of Jesus Christ, amen.